How to do your own photo shoot from home. Let's face it, this day and age, it's all about social media. People want to see nice pictures. So if you want to boost up your social media game with some awesome photos but don't know how to do it, today I'm going to teach you how to do your own photo shoot directly from your home. Before we get started, here is what you will need. A camera or cell phone, a tripod or a helpful friend, lighting or simply open your windows and let some natural light in, and a spacious area, setting, or backdrop. Hey everyone, today's video is going to be all about how you can do your very own photo shoot at home. Step 1. Location. Pick where you want to shoot your photos. I've decided to do my birthday photo shoot directly from my bedroom. I recently painted my walls blue and I love the way they look in photos. Tip. Pick the prettiest and most lit area. The more light, the better your photos will look. Step 2. Pick out your props and decorate your setting. So for my birthday photo shoot, I decided to buy balloons and create my own props like this number 28. And then I just let my creative side take over as I dress up my photo op area. Tip. Have a clear idea or some sort of inspiration photo prior to setting up your space. Step 3. Once your photo area is all set, make sure to set up your lighting and camera. Now, because I do videos professionally, I already have my own ring lights. If you're looking to do this multiple times, I highly suggest purchasing some of your own. But if you do not have the resources, simply make sure you let some natural light in. And if you are shooting yourself, a tripod is a massive help. But if you don't have one, get creative. You can always use whatever is around your house to set up your camera. Whether you're using a professional camera or a phone, the most important thing is really that self-timer. Step 4. Once your production area is all set up, it's time to pick your outfits. Head to your closet and pick out a few wardrobe pieces you think would work best with the type of photos you want to do. Step 5. It's time to get dolled up. Do your hair and makeup. Once again, you should already have an idea of what kind of look you're going for prior to beginning this process. Step 6. Lights, camera, action. It's time to take your photos, but before you start posing, turn on some music to get you in the mood. Tips. Make sure you can see yourself. If it's a phone camera, set it to selfie mode. If it's a camera, make sure you flip the screen. Make sure you are framed properly. Nobody wants to see a head that is not centered or half cut off. And make sure you are in focus. Nothing is worse than thinking you got a good picture, but then it turns out to be blurry. Play with your camera settings, adjust the brightness levels, and see what other cool features it has that can improve your photos. The best thing you can wear is confidence. Don't be nervous about taking photos of yourself. No one is going to see the photos you don't want them to see, so relax and have a good time. Step 7. The selection process. The post photo shoot is always my favorite part. Upload all your photos to your desktop and go through them one by one. And make sure to delete all the ones you dislike, so you won't have a ton to choose from. Organize the raw photos however you please, just make sure you know which ones you like the best. Step 8. The editing. Now let me just say that the better your lighting is, the less editing you will find yourself doing. The good thing is that there are now so many easy apps that let you edit your photos. You don't need to be an expert to pull off a great photo. Go to your preferred editing site and edit how you please. For myself, I normally just remove any blemishes, brighten up my photo if it needs it, and I add shadows to make my hair look darker. That's just my personal preference, but once again, it depends on you, your taste, and your photo. Tip. Play around with the editing. Try different colors and filters. You never know what will look cool. Step 9. Once all your best photos have been edited, pick the very best one from those. Narrow them down to the ones you want to share. Share 1, 2, or all of them. It's really up to you. Guys, things got really messy, really crazy. I really hope the photos came out good. We'll see. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've done a lot of my own photo shoots many times. I think this one was the hardest one I've ever done, but for the most part, they usually come out good. So I really hope you guys learned how to do this on your own if you guys ever wanted to give it a try. If you guys liked this video, felt you learned something, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this one or a bunch of other random videos that I tend to post up on my channel, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to check out the photos and how they came out, you guys can do so on Instagram @_Denise Salcedo. You can also follow me on Twitter. Alright guys, I'm out of breath and I gotta clean up this room, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!